Today I'm pretty excited to try out this K&F Concept cool light black diffusion filter, and I guess it also comes with a wide angle lens adapter for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm going to bust this open and stick it on the DJI Pocket 3 and we'll see how that looks. This is what it looks like inside the case. I guess there are three things. I thought it was just two, so maybe it's a cool light, a black diffusion, and a wide angle. Nice. All right, immediately getting my fingerprints all over it. Fun. Yeah, we got a cool light. Let's see, is that gonna go right on? Does it go right on? Go right on. Something tells me, nope, that doesn't go right on, but you can get an idea. Here's nothing. Cool light. Does the wide angle have to go on first? All right, well, let's give the wide angle a try. Here's regular focal length. Here's wide angle. You know, I think it's because I have a lens protector on my Pocket 3 that it does not want to cooperate, because that doesn't want to stick on very well. Okay, I've removed the little lens protector, so let's see if this sticks better. Yep, sticks a lot better. That's a bit wider, yeah, I would say. So let me set the camera down so you get a really good idea of regular versus wide. Doing this in the car, classic. Okay, regular focal length, nothing attached to the camera. Here comes wide. Wide focal length. All right, wide. We're adding cool light. Here we go. We're adding the cool light to it. Does it go just on? Wide with cool light. So you cannot use the cool light without the wide, just so you know. You have to put it on just like that. Black diffusion, 1/4 of a black diffusion. Is that a stop of black diffusion? What does the quarter mean? I'm having a hard time seating it on there well. Okay, that's as good as I'm gonna get it. So here comes wide angle with black diffusion. Looking pretty cool. Check out the highlights. How does it look? Does it look all diffused and filmic and sweet? I hope so. And then this, you cannot stack them. You cannot do one, you can't do both. It's one or the other. So you just gotta choose your look. Well, I am a little bummed that you can't use the filters without the wide angle lens. So wide angle lens, cool blue. It's kind of a pain to put on too. Your camera doesn't like you to put these on while the camera's running. But cool blue light, cool light. Cool light, is it cool? Are we cool now? I don't know if it's any cooler. I don't know if it made me any cooler. The case that comes with the DJI Pocket 3 has a little spot for a wide angle lens in here. I'm wondering how well it's going to work with this and the camera, like if it'll fit. Let's find out if it fits the same. And yeah, it totally works. You can put the wide angle K&F Concept lens in here. Let me show you. It's just hiding out in there. Can you see it? I can't tell if you can see it. I'm at an awkward angle. You know, in theory, I really like these sorts of filters because they give you cool different looks, and yeah, you know, it's fun. It gives you a little bit more variety with the Pocket 3 if you've been using it for a while and maybe you're just like a little bored with it. But man, they're so awkward because you have to first turn the camera on to get the camera lens to face you in order to put it on. Then it's fighting with you to put it on. You can't turn the camera off with the filter on there. It's gonna fly off. And yeah, you can fit one more filter in here. There's a spot actually for the Pro Mist filter, that the DJI one. You can put one of these two in there, but then you got a third one just floating around. I would just rather keep everything in this box. And I don't know, you're gonna get your fingerprints all over it. Like, is it not wide enough already? Is this not already a wide enough focal length? So yeah, it's fun, and I gotta like just try it out, play around with it a bit and see what the footage looks like, because maybe I'll really dig the look. It's kind of hard for me to tell right now because I'm shooting in D-Log, but maybe it'd be a great way to add a cool look straight out of camera without having to do any color grading. But that's it, that's fun. Yeah, fun stuff.